Umintri rang ba kajala Conrad ke sangma hak arpandai trik naitung, ulasam ya khusnam Achiever of the Month, hapo ka Chief Minister's Meghalaya Grassroots Music Program CMMGMP kabalong hatura. Haba ay jingkran haka jingalang baya shimbenta de nongput nongtem, kinong sengkam bat kisamla, umintri rang ba ulaong baka jingpenlong yi program ko sorkar hakaleng gitaka, kaya rapan niya sam jingtip halor ka kolshor, bat ki jingsham ka way ka jaka, tsaka way pan. Ula pun bena ba manla ubnay ka sorkar kan ithu bat pen kuburam ikinong trikam haki jatkam bapher, kum hakaput katem, kaitor, kinong elekay, bat ki way, kanang banla ban say ki riu dan sab ki batubin. Ngilas dang ya kanika program khusnam arjar katpra, ban kintiyo ya kasengkam sengjam. Mentangin penya di kajing trikam, shaki way pat ki jatkam. Habashim ya kaput katem kum shibenta jo kajing ithu bakarpang ka Meghalaya, ukon rat ulaong bakajala kalayo ya kajing ithu akapertay ya kajing dan ki kaitor pat nongput nongtem badan sam, Henry kajing kershan ke sorkar kadai ke badang sa syadin. Hadian kani ukon rat ulay keren bat nongput nongtem nakaleng kajala Meghalaya, bat skap ya kijing bat kijing ay jing mut jungki kum shibenta bantay ya kakamput kamtem kabaklan bat kabane. Menta ubnay ka Achiever of the Month Award ka CMMGMP kalet siya uchegim durama ukay tor ba arpsan snam natura ubalas dang bantawi kilan ban penmi jing ruay hakarta ba kalay snam bat penmi pat ika jing ruay baningkong jong hakarta ba arpuay snam.
Manage your band, manage your finances, organize, your concerts. They can't do it because they are musicians. So therefore, I think somewhere along the line, musicians need to mix with entrepreneurs and you need to bring in professional management into music. I think that is so important and I think that is missing right now. So I'd like to encourage and use this platform to share this with you. Please realize the importance of professionalism and management in music. Realize that you can't do it, or maybe you can. I'm not saying you can't, but majority of us can't. So if you're a musician, you are good with music, you're good with all the other things, but management is a different skill. I have also decided that I want to push professional music and theory and different aspects of actual academics in music also among our musicians. Like, for example, I think there'll be some of you out here who don't read and who don't write music. So I'm not saying that you have to know it, but I think it helps. It helps to understand the science behind music. And sadly, a lot of people don't understand the science, which is of course a great thing also, because that's when your mind goes and does all kind of wonderful things also. But there's no harm. There's no harm in understanding music. There's no harm in writing music. There's no harm in understanding the scales that are there in music. So therefore, I think theory into music and studying music and maybe just holding the guitar the right way. I played the guitar for many years and for a long time I did not realize I used to put the guitar on my my right thigh and play it. A lot of you will know who are playing the guitar. The correct way while sitting and playing is actually to put it right in between and then play it, because that's where your hand is right here and you get a better feel of everything. So just a small thing of positioning the guitar in that right way, I didn't know till somebody told me, just put it here and then just raise it right in the middle and you'll see that you'll be able to, your hand will have a better spread and your, the right hand also you'll be able to, pick the strings in a better manner.